Okay, so we got. Mathis?
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Kitty.
Morning, Kitty.
Good morning.
Good morning. We can start checking in attorneys when you're ready.
Good morning. This is Attorney Michael Ajami on brain fart. I'm sorry. On Royce Stubblefield.
11:15.
Mhm.
It's an in-person exam.
We're waiving, Your Honor.
Oh, all right. Is he on?
You should be on, yes.
All
Yes.
right, I got you. Who's next?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is Jamil Kuja on Dale and Price.
All right, I got you. Good morning, who's next?
Good morning, Kitty. It's Nicole Sadi. I'm standing in today for Bob Plumpy on, I think it's Charleston Williams. It's a PCC.
Yes. You say you're standing in?
Yes.
Okay. Who's next? Any other attorney need to check in?
Oh, good morning. How are you?
Good.
This is Nicholas Salas. I was retained overnight. Miss Catteray's client is named Wilkes Clemens, PCS.
Okay, I need an appearance, counselor.
Yeah, I know. I
Oh.
will be filing one this morning. She's going to appear. We're asking for an exam. But can you give me some information? What do you, can I fax it in? Can I email it in?
Email, please.
Okay. Can you
You
tell me?
ready?
I'm ready.
It's ORQUID as in David, IA dot ORIEL at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay,
And can I have your P number?
sure. 34870.
All right. Thank you. Who's next? Any other attorney that needs to check in? I'm ready when you're done, sir. Ready, Blair?
Yeah.
All right, ready on Royce Stubblefield? Calling case number 2062774, the people of the state of Michigan versus Royce Stubblefield. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Ajami on behalf of Mr. Stubblefield, P82745.
I can hear you guys now.
Mr. Stubblefield, can you please state your name for the record?
This is Giles Price.
Okay, Mr. Price, just put your system on mute until we call your case.
Okay.
Mr. Stubblefield, I need you to state your name for the record, please.
Royce Stubblefield.
Okay, you gotta put the camera back so I can see you, please. All right, right here, Counsel.
Your Honor, today was the date and time set for an examination. After discussing the purpose of an exam with my client, he has decided to waive his right to a preliminary exam and get bound over to Third Circuit Court.
Any objection? No objection. All right, Mr. Stubblefield, do you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything
No.
or threat in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, I do.
All right, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, I don't.
Counsel, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. The court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam matter bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be April 5th, 2021 at 9:00 p.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day to you and your staff.
Thank you, you too.
You too. Ready on Dallin Price,
Yes.
calling case number 2155995, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dallin Price. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, receiving and concealing, count 2, weapons carrying concealed, count 3, weapons, felony, firearms. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jamil Kuja appearing on behalf of Dallin Price. Your Honor, if I could just have an adjournment of the probable cause conference. I had no contact information from Mr. Price. I'm glad he showed up. So if I could just adjourn it to get discovery and then have a chance to talk to him.
PCTs. You'll have more than enough time to get discovery and talk to him between now and the exam date.
Okay.
All right? Because it's not gonna be next week.
Right.
All right. With it.
I am reading this together. But I do have 3 written down. Mr. Kuja, I did email that all the discovery to you on March the 16th.
Let me look.
We had.
You know what? I see it.
All emailed.
Okay, I see it. You guys just didn't put his name on it. I just had a case number that I don't know if it's like a prosecutor's case number, but I couldn't associate it. But that's fine. I got it now.
Okay.
Judge, can I ask Mr. Price to give me a good phone number to reach him at?
Yeah. Yeah, now while I'm looking for your date.
Okay. Mr. Price, could you just give me a good phone number to have for you?
313-854-1949. And that's my mother's phone number because my phone is off right now.
Okay, I'm gonna call you on that number now, so you'll have my number.
Can you
Okay.
text, because that's my mom's phone number, and can you put your information with it?
Fine, I'll do that.
Okay.
All right.
All right, June 14th at 12:30. 12:30.
At 12:30, you said, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that works.
Email should contain the defendant's name on it. I did have it on there.
Oh.
You said, what was the date? 12:30 at, June,
June 14th, 12:30. That's in person, 36th District Court for 439.
June
You have to
14th.
be on time because I'm gonna call it at 12:30. So get here early.
At 12:30 PM, June 13th,
For June 14th.
14th. And, on Zoom chat, correct?
No, it's in person. It's an in-person exam.
Okay, one second. Is it, the 36th District Court on, 421 Madison Street?
Yes.
I have the, paper right here. Okay,
That's it.
I'll call you and explain it to him.
okay, that's it.
That's it. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend, everybody.
All right, you
You
too.
too. Ready on, I don't know, this one not yours. Charleston's not yours, Blair? No. Is Reggie on?
I'm here, Kitty.
Okay. Calling case number 2156014, the people of the state of Michigan versus Charleston Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor and staff. This is Nicole Sadi. I'm standing in for Mr. Charleston Williams, attorney of record, Bob Plumpy. Mr. Williams, do I have your permission to stand in today as your attorney? Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes,
Do I have your permission to act as your attorney today?
yes,
Thank you. Judge, this was a probable cause conference and Mr. Plumpy and his client would like to hold the examination.
All right. How many witnesses?
2, Your Honor.
Reggie, are you driving?
Oh, I'm parked.
Okay.
You running money for? Sorry? Huh? You running money for?
I don't know if it's on this.
No, these talents are set up.
Okay. That's what I was gonna use.
Is that what you meant?
You have a jailer too.
Yeah.
You have a jailer too.
June 23rd at 12:30.
Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
All right, thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. I'll have to worry about that. Your email, yeah.
Mr. Williams, you can tell us that we're finished now.
You can have that one. That's it. This is the way.
Cataract?
Morning, Judge. I have Wilkes Clemens.
Good morning. You've been retained out.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thanks. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
Ready on Wilkes Clemens?
Ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Calling case number 2156010, the people of the state of Michigan versus Wilkes Clemens. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Probably why we people.
Didn't quite hear that. If it please the court, Nicholas Salas, P 34870 for Mr. Wilkes Clemens.
Mr. Wilkes Clemens, huh? Mr. Wilkes Clemens.
Yes, Your Honor.
Record, please.
Wilkes Jeremy Clemens, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel?
Judge, we had a discussion about it. I haven't received the discovery, but Ms. Cataray says that he just received it, I believe, yesterday. We're asking for an exam date.
All right. How many witnesses?
I have 2 judges, probably do 1.
Time.
All right.
Who's the jailer? Kid?
I don't know who he is.
Oh, you're talking
I'm
about
just
one
saying he's
down
up there.
downstairs.
The jailer would be the homicide.
June 29th to
Have
9:15.
come, yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
I don't know.
Live in person.
Live and in person.
Judge, you should have the camera on you. I haven't seen you in 5 years.
Camera is
Yeah.
on here.
It should be on.
Well, maybe my angle's off then. Anyways. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank
Oh,
you.
these folks crying.
We'll see you later now. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Okay.
June 29.
That's good.
Yeah, June 29th.
I ain't seen him in a long time.
By the way, he's
We get things out.
Oh,
Did they say June 29th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 9:15. Thank you.
15. Yep.
Thank you.
That's in person, 36th District Court, Court 439.
What time?
Okay, yes. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you then.
What we just started, 6
All right, we got Mr. Lemon now.
yeah, his is,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
How are you
You
today?
ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
I'm
Is
ready.
your
We're
client
ready.
on?
He is.
Okay. Calling case number 20-60390, the people of the state of Michigan versus Romeo Mathis. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 4, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 5, weapons, carrying concealed. Count 6, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Strike count, okay, strike that. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Whitney Lemelin, P58914, on behalf of Romeo Mathis, who's participating via Zoom today. Mr. Mathis, please state your name for the record.
Romeo Jerome Mathis.
Thank you. Your Honor, this is date and time set for an exam, and I've explained to my client his rights with regard to a preliminary exam, and he's going to make a knowing and voluntary waiver of his exam rights. He understands the burden of the people to prove the probable cause that a crime was committed, and he committed it, and he's waiving the right to that hearing and understands the case to be bound over to circuit court on all the charges in the complaint.
All right, thank you. No, do you have any objection?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Mathis, you understand that you have a statutory right to preliminary exam when the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, Your Honor.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Your Honor.
And counsel, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No objection, please do. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, the Court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam and is bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be April 5th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m. And bonds continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Mizuki.
Wayne County,
Yes, ma'am.
who do you have?
This is Charleston Dewan Williams for a PCC.
Yeah,
We did him.
yeah, we already did it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You two have a great weekend.
Thank
You too, thank you.
Mr. Manugian, you're on, Wiper?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, why did they?
You like this too?
Yep. Are you ready, Counselor?
I am. Yes, I am.
Okay. Calling case number 2156006. The people of the state of Michigan versus Jason Wiper. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Manugian, P76341, appearing on behalf of Jason Wiper.
All right, waive your client's presence for the purposes of this hearing.
Your Honor, we were hoping to waive today. Mr. Wiper is incarcerated. We want to get this case taken care of as fast as possible because of that.
Okay, all right, we're gonna have to call the jail and get them on then.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Uh-huh.
Morning, happy Friday.
Good morning, how you doing?
All right, thank you, because the attorneys are. All right, sounds good. Thank you. All right. Said 5 minutes.
Put that there. You come, you're going to change it.
That's you.
Happy birthday. Trying to get a tip. No, just Happy birthday.
Thank you.
May God bless you and many more.
Can you say call 411? That's your tip.
Say what?
Call 411. That's good.
I like 211 myself. You call 211 to get anything connected to it.
Really?
All right, don't do anything at home.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
211. I'll do that.
United Way.
Okay, right.
Huh? Oh, I mean, we really don't have that many
I
QCCs.
know, I'm just saying.
Actually, we're done.
One more.
You're right. And
We got
that's
Mr.
this last one in jail.
Piper?
Yep.
Right, he's in jail, okay, that's the one in jail. They had one up here, did we do it?
Huh?
We had a jail out there.
Yeah, that was Williams. I didn't even have Williams as being locked up on my list,
Okay, we did it, okay.
but we did.
We already did it before he, yeah, right.
No, I
No, we
think he
did.
was on there.
Okay, right, Williams.
I thought it was Wiper and he was answering because he was like, no, he was like, William, no. But, because I didn't have Williams as they were jailing.
So, and Whiteburg and Williams is jail, it's okay.
Yeah. Yep, sir.
Man. This is
Mm.
this is good, this is gonna be a good day.
Yeah, so look, so this, the 945 is probably gonna be adjourned. Because he's in the hospital.
Oh, right, mind you, say.
The
Now-
defendant's in the hospital, but I need the attorney to log on. I'm thinking, see, and then the 10 o'clock waived. So our 9:30 homicide should have a good hour.
Now, our 9 o'clock is here,
Because then our next one won't be until 10:30.
and 9 o'clock is here.
Oh, is it?
Oh,
Is
and winter. Yeah, it's-
Oh, so the Winters is here? Winters is the 9:30.
No,
He's the
oh, I
host.
say O and Steve. Reed.
Okay, oh, and his client is
Client,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're here.
Cool. Is he holding? Probably.
50-50 gamble, what do you think?
Thumbs
up or down?
I think
Up
probably.
or hold down?
What did he say? He's holding.
Well, he's first asking my officers are here and they're not, so.
Oh.
But I've already discussed with the OIC out there. See, what happens is this. What's happening? I can't. What's happening? Okay. So listen, you want to go. So why would you want your client to go through all that arrest stuff?
So they're, okay, so that's the thing. You're gonna reissue it?
If they reissue it, the client's gonna go through the whole process again.
Right.
The defendant. It just doesn't make sense.
When he gets
Because
his
we can
way.
get diversion right now. But see, this is the BS. You know, on everything they want to get it just fast, get this fast, get this fast, get this fast. You know, and, you know, they know it's gonna come back. So. Okay, and it's up to, your director. And it's up to the OIC if he wants to reissue.
He said he wanted.
He says he's gonna reissue.
Yeah.
Too much job security.
Right, this way.
I know.
What can you?
Well, you know, look, you just, whatever, you know?
Right.
Just cross the zone, display. Yeah, you gotta see that, you gotta see that. All of you got, you start, first you go, you start. Everybody stop like that.
Oh, we ready?
Yeah, they're glad you can step.
Ready on Stephen Reed? Calling case number 2060636, the people of the state of Michigan versus Stephen Reed. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Morning, Judge, Neighborhood Defender Service, Michael Leonard, P83424, appearing on behalf of Mr. Stephen Reed, who's standing in court with us. Mr. Reed, please state your name.
Stephen Reed. Thank you. Ready to state?
Yeah, at this time, I have from my officer in charge, that Officer Davis is in the courtroom here. The officers are not here. Without those witnesses, Judge, you cannot hold this for the record.
Judge, motion to dismiss.
All right, let's dismiss without prejudice. Judge Ray, you can step outside, we'll bring your papers,
Oh.
don't go anywhere, your attorney.
Mr. O.
It's good.
Oh, you already did? Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Shit. Thank you.
Sorry. Right. To me. Right.
That's a waste of time. You would agree with you.
Right, that's. Right, that's another. That's Wiper?
Yeah, I think that might be good.
It is.
Ready on Jason Wiper?
Ready.
Calling case number 2156006, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jason Wiper. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Subject to offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Max Manugian, P76341, appearing on behalf of Jason Wiper.
Mr. Wiper, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jason Wiper.
All right, Mr. Manugian?
Your Honor, Mr. Wiper understands his right to a preliminary exam. He knowing and voluntarily wishes to waive that right today and have this case bound over to the circuit court.
You have any objection?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. Mr. Wiper, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that,
Yes,
sir?
Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, I do not.
All right, Ms. Manugian, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam and is bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information. Which will be March 26th, 21 at 9 o'clock a.m.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
I have a question.
Yes, sir. Your attorney just signed off.
It's okay. Does my personal bond still stay in effect?
Yeah, we haven't changed it yet. You still got a personal bond.
Okay, thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay. The winner's here. Judge, our 9:45 is, the defendant is in the hospital. The hospital did email me at county. And then she wouldn't put a date when he's gonna be released. But, huh? Yeah.
Haywood Psychiatric Hospital.
Yeah.
Isn't Haywood a,
Yes, at first sight,
Hospital.
yeah.
For juveniles, yeah.
did he didn't request a comp rate on it?
No.
We're gonna have to know. Okay. We'll take make an attorney now. Madam Clerk? Madam Clerk?
Yes.
No, so. it's not okay. So, there you go. So, you know, you can ask for dismissal. I've got it. She'll like to stand up. I know. I know.
Is Mr. Winters here?
He's on his way. I told him last night. He said he had to be down here anyway, otherwise we would have zoomed in for this.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, we don't have some free time. So Judge, let me tell you something funny. So remember I told you that I think my husband was replacing my radio, and he did.
So he did.
Yeah, he did.
You was when you off.
I was right. I don't be watching.
You knew he said, what did he do in my car like that?
The judge said he needed to be a little more slicker.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
That
That's
is
true.
Because, you know, you never around my Jeep, and then all of a sudden you're around it.
Yeah, right.
So he replaced it. So it's funny because I'm trying to get used to the GPS and all that on it, and then the music. So I press, it has where you click on it and you can, to go home, give me the GPS to go home.
Mm-hmm.
So I did it, but it GPS me to where the radio came from.
So you went there?
No, I didn't go there. I didn't go there, I'm just like.
No, that would've been funny though. That would've been real funny. If you went there and no one
Yes,
else you knew.
Because I'm like, wait a minute, why is it gonna take me to
Yeah.
7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning to get there? What? So then I figured it out. I gotta, okay, you gotta program your home address to go in there. He was like, Kitty, please don't say that. Please don't tell me.
You're right, Pat.
All right.
0653.
Yeah, see, Kitty, it's good you didn't follow that verbatim.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right, like, oh, I'm gonna follow it. Yeah.
Why'd you get a new radio?
He wanted to upgrade it.
Oh,
He upgraded
to
it for me
GPS
for
or
my
something?
birthday. It's one of my birthday gifts.
oh, that was nice.
So that's give you GPS. You
So
would
you
have
have
had
GPS now?
Yeah, I got GPS. The music is satellite, or I can hook my phone up to my radio.
The Bluetooth?
Yeah, Bluetooth. I didn't have any of that.
Yeah,
It
it
was an
really
older
is.
car.
It is nice to have the Bluetooth on the phone.
Yeah.
It really is.
What would have been nice if.
See, I didn't have all that. And then it has like for my CDs, when I want, the radio comes out and I can put my.
Yeah, the screen comes up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I didn't have.
Does it play movies?
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you.
I don't know. I didn't ask
See if it plays, what do they call it? What DVDs.
Tell my brother next time, don't change the radio, just get your new car.
You're right. Right. Look at the old radio.
Right. That was nice.
Yeah, I know you. Yeah, but you gotta want a Jeep, something or other?
Yeah, 2011.
What kind of Jeep?
So, huh?
What model?
Wrangler, Sahara.
Is that a four-door?
Huh?
It's a four-door?
Yeah.
The top comes off?
Yeah.
Oh, I like
that.
That's
Would give
nice.
me
She
one.
doesn't need a new one.
No, you don't need it.
That's nice.
Well, the value really doesn't go down on them, so.
No,
I'm
it
thinking about
doesn't.
buying one. I'm thinking about buying,
A Jeep?
Yeah, I like that. That one, the kind she got.
Here you go, Kitty. You got a buyer right here.
See, no, I ain't gonna buy her. Well, she does have a new radio on this. She got a new,
Yeah.
I have I've had people offer to buy it from me.
Because they got the Rubicon or something like that. Rubicon?
Yeah.
Is it Rubicon?
Rubicon. That's the newer model. Stuff.
Yeah, that's another model.
And then they
They're
have
like the
Sierra.
same body, but
And some are bigger because they have bigger tires.
yeah.
That depends on your
That
trim,
costs
I
a lot of
think.
money
Yeah,
when you
it
start
does.
getting into those.
Those things are
that's-
like $60,000.
Oh, yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. And then
I
you
want
get,
a new one.
you know how much those tires cost on that
I
one?
want a new one.
Do you?
Those tires,
Yeah, I do want.
when you get to 18, that's like 18.
Yeah.
And they're gotta be like $1,000 per tire. You gotta be at least
Oh,
close.
at least they're $250 a tire.
More, I think it'd be more than that,
You know?
because I pay about two something for my tire. That's
Yeah,
Honda.
because I look at my tires.
about
and
five,
these are
at least
good
five.
Tires.
Because the Mercedes Benz, that was about 5 years ago. I saw that car and I said, well, that's sharp. And I said, how much your tires cost on this bill? She said, $500 a tire. I was like, oh, hell no.
It's probably a specially designed tire for that car.
Yeah. Certain cars have.
Yeah, they have.
You could have a standard
speed rated.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You can probably get a standard one, but if you're gonna get a car like that, you almost want it all the little toy. You don't want to look at,
I know.
you want some good tires that look like they,
Yeah.
because I like those. I mean, I've been looking at the Jeep for a little bit lately. I'm like,
The
And that
Wrangler?
Rubicon, I saw that new one. That's what got me
Okay, so
turned on.
this is it, but this is, I took the doors off.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I took the doors.
My brother-in-law
off.
rented
My
one
husband
for the
took it off.
summer.
And this is with the doors and the top off.
See, that's what I'm talking
They look
about. The
sharp.
summertime. Oh man,
That's really nice.
can I get a ride?
Yeah.
Would you get a pain in the neck to get the roof off though?
Yeah, no,
That's
Well, yeah,
that's a
it
good. That's a
was-
good question.
it was because last year was the first time that he took it off. And he upgraded the screws.
Oh.
So now it's easier to take
Yeah,
off.
'cause after
What
a
it
while-
was is whoever owned it looked like they never took the top off.
Okay.
And
So the
those screws
were
rust in
kinda
there a little bit.
rusted.
Yeah. Right.
So he
Oh.
replaced
Okay.
all that, so it should be easier.
You almost
But
have to
he
have a
said
drill
the-
to get it out. Yeah, you know.
He said the doors were harder to get off.
Yeah, they,
It's like a toy for the
He
summer. I
rented
like
one.
that. Take everything out. Summer.
Yeah, you have to get it.
Let's try to get it. It's the brand young kid. Wow, what is it?
drive one of those things and we get the doors off and roof off.
That draws attention, right? Yeah, unless it's your.
But this is when the cops stop. This passenger had his like legs hanging out.
So you can't do that.
Now, I don't know, is there a citation?
Okay,
yeah,
so
you can't have
look,
your leg- you can't have, that's supposed to get hit.
I know.
So I
His leg's
went,
gone.
I
That's
went
dumb.
and got seat covers
Uh-huh.
to match my black and white.
I mean, when you got those, nice.
Oh, you brought it up anyway. Wait a minute. All right, that was you talking to me, right?
And then I got a stern wheel.
Oh, it's not, that's any homicide, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you gotta customize it.
Yeah, and then I put my husband told me to get weather mats
tech?
and stuff.
Yeah, those
So
are
I got
nice.
all new mats in it too.
That's nice.
Yeah, I mean, I like my little Jeep. I think I like
How many miles you got on it though?
130.
Wow. And it's a 2011?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you driving it?
Huh?
You driving it all over the place?
That's good for a 2011. You don't
It
think
is?
so?
How many miles you put
For
on
a
it for okay?
2011,
Buck 30.
130,000 miles.
So how many years, you had it? I mean, it's
I've had it-
21,
I-
10 years, think of 10 years.
No,
Divided by 10.
This would be my going on my 4th year having it. I think in October it'd be my 4th year having it.
Here.
Oh, yes. Okay, good.
All right, you guys.
We got Mr.
I don't know.
I'm gonna take a photo.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
Ooh,
You gotta hold it up and get a picture of the three of you guys.
Oh, she made it. Oh, thank you, Judge. Thank you.
This
Oh,
is
that's nice.
His
Ooh,
daughter.
sweet. Oh, it looks so
Yeah,
good.
she's been trying to open her bakery for the last year. except
Oh, not a
for
good year to
COVID.
do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the city is only partially open because they won't come out and do the inspection.
Oh.
And then they come out and do the inspection.
Yeah.
They send somebody else out and they said, well, you gotta do this now. You gotta do this. But they've been giving a runaround for
Oh, that's too bad.
a year. But she's still doing
I mean,
it
can
all.
she go just like, I don't know where she's living, but I mean, can she go like in a different neighborhood, like a different city or do it and open it up there?
Well, she already
Easier?
has the location. They've already
yeah.
renovated it. She
Okay.
has she had them install the ovens and all everything else is there. And then she had finished everything and then
It's just the
COVID
permit.
hit and they waited for the permit.
Yeah.
Then they came back and they told her that, well, since you got seating for such, you gotta add another bathroom.
Take the seating out.
Well, that's what I said.
Take the seating out. Put the tables out.
Right. Until you're
man,
ready
this
for it.
looks
That's beautiful.
So good.
Give me your phone. I'm gonna get a picture of the three of you guys.
Oh.
I'll come around there.
Okay.
Yeah, I got this here, Kate. Go around there.
Really? Do you want us to come around?
I'll come around.
Okay, I'll get you guys real quick here. Take your mask down for a minute. All right, here we go.
And so he could take you to say, see, they're not social distancing.
Or just get me and the judge.
I'll
and
do
then
you
we
and the
can
judge.
get-
Get those
Yeah.
two first.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cool.
Okay, now.
Gotta go. Okay, come on, Deering.
Come on, you gotta get.
Get in there.
Be on it.
Gotta get your mask off there too.
So now we would be, okay.
Yeah, but everybody's holding their breath,
They
right?
got the bikes in.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
He said,
check
you're
those
safe.
photos out.
They got it, but I'm safe.
See, those are good. Are they good?
That's the winners. Let me get your client.
Yep, they're good.
They're good?
Thank you.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, I should. take my
Well, now you
mask
got
off.
your lunch. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Or at least dessert.
Oh, I need a knife so we can cut it.
Is it a chocolate cake,
You
John?
should have one, yeah. We'll talk with the butter.
Mhm.
I'll look in the
Oh.
back. We should have something in the back.
Oh, my God.
Wait, here.
Mm-mm.
Happy early birthday, Julie.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mr. Winters. Oh, you calling for kid? Calling for kid?
Yeah.
Okay.
You take it with your phone.
Oh, yeah, you want to see a picture?
Oh, that's nice picture. Oh, that cake looks so crucial. Oh, that's good. That's good. We'll remember that COVID time, right? You know, so we're just gonna get your information too. Put it right here.
Your Honor, may I put that unrelated there?
Sure.
Yeah. No. Well, there was never. Oh, no. So you don't get any. You know, probably once he goes across the street. That makes sense. That makes sense. So just- Appreciate it. Sure.
You got Mr. Kidd?
I have to know. Yes, yes. Thank you. Someone else.
Just, President Reed. What's your right?
Thank you. We ready? We ready, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Calling case number 2057262, the people of the state of Michigan versus Christian Kidd. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree premeditated. Count 2, homicide, felony murder. Count 3, attempted unlawful imprisonment. Count 4, dead bodies. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Morning, Your Honor. William Winters, P 35975.
Judge, at this time, people are ready.
We move to dismiss.
All right, that's dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you very much.
I'll talk to you later. Say what you're talking about.
All right, thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you, sir.
Right there.
So why was it dismissed, the witness?
No witness. Probably bring it back. We had a cold week. I vaguely remember the case.
Yeah.
His brother, Christian's kid, Christopher. Mr. Weatherly?
No, he went in the back.
Oh.
It's fine. He's probably gonna tell them they may reissue this.
They're probably won't do that. Ms. Longstreet, what you got?
Good morning. I have something, an exam scheduled for Tuesday at 2:00 on a Mr. Peterson, but I met with him in the jail and he wants to waive. So I was just wondering if we could either do it maybe on Monday, the waiver, so that the prosecutor won't have to bring the witnesses down.
Yeah.
It's scheduled for Tuesday and you wanna do it Monday? Is that what?
Yes.
Okay, what's his name?
His name is Darvin Peterson, and he's in Division 2.
All right, I'll do a mid. Hopefully they'll put them on.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Good to see everyone.
Too. I did the dismissal, Mr. Winters.
Yours. When is your birthday? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Thank you all very much. Have a
All
great
right,
week.
take care.
Thank you, you too.
Good morning, good morning.
How you doing?
Fine.
Hey, Brian.
You got hot tea, Tucker? Will be 9:45?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's your case?
Yeah, but you know what? It was a 18 case. And I still have my files. I couldn't even figure out who was on case.
Oh, he's in the hospital.
The defendant? Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I think we'll go anyway.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know where, Ty go.
I see him come back.
Gentlemen on the Moto G, can we help you? What's your name?
Michael Rochelle.
Michelle. Oh, you have 11:30. You have 11:30 exam in person.
You said at 11:30 in person?
Yes.
Okay. I called, they said it wasn't in person. Is this 36 or is it Frank Murphy?
36 District Court, courtroom 439.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, wait, when you come down here, not wear a t-shirt.
Okay,
I don't do t-shirts. I don't do t-shirts or sweats in my courtroom. Shirt with a collar, pair of pants. All right?
Yes. You said 11:30, right?
Yes, sir. You gotta get down here a little early because I know they usually have a line outside.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here.
Judge, now, if he don't come down here. Issues.
Mr. Mr. Chairman,
Yes, sir.
what can we help you with, sir?
My lawyer is in prison right now. Does he have to be?
Yeah, yes, your attorney needs to be here. Judge, this is the, defendant we did yesterday. We did him, but, there was a order for him to go out of town. Remember, and I said I was gonna call the attorney back on, but he never came back on. He did call me later and I told him to log on.
That's
today.
He told me to be on at 9:30. So
All right, just
Yes.
hold on, he should be on.
no problem. Thanks a lot.
Mr. Riggs, is that your case?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Nadeau called me yesterday and he wanted to address a condition of bond. And he is supposed to be logging on about 9:30. So I'm just standing by until he gets here.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You guys want me to try to call him?
No.
You can.
Okay.
He said he should be on shortly.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Harper,
Yes, I'm here.
what can we do for you?
I guess I had the times mixed up. My hearing was for 8:30 today.
I have a heart. You got Ira Harper?
Nope.
Nope, you got a case number, because it's not on
Yes.
my schedule. Unless you're in the wrong courtroom.
No, I'm following the meeting ID number it gave me on my paper. I have a docket number if that'll help.
Yeah, I need the case docket number.
Okay, I have a docket number. It's 145-499.
Docket number.
Okay. All right, let me see if I can find it.
What is it about?
It's a traffic case.
Oh, you're in the wrong courtroom then. We don't do traffic courtroom.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Well, do you know where I need to go, or I don't have any directions?
Hold on. You have a list of who has what case, what number, or what alphabet?
Yeah, I do. Well, I don't know, maybe just the judges. No, I just have a list of the judges. There.
What she did.
Criminal.
Did she say, what kind of case is it, ma'am?
Is that traffic?
It's a
Yeah,
traffic?
traffic. Yeah, it says to answer to a charge of traffic. That's what
Oh,
it
so
said.
hold on, that might be the right number. What's the case number again, you were saying?
Yeah, I just have a docket number. I don't know if that's the same thing,
Okay,
but
what
I
is-
have, okay,
what is-
145-499. 451, and then it has like a plus sign, then 2.
Yeah, Tyra Harper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're assigned to Judge Jacqueline McClinton.
Okay, McClinton.
Let me see if I have.
Oh, should have a Zoom number.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, she's in courtroom 340.
Okay. All right. How do you know the meeting ID or no? Or how can I find it?
Hold on.
All right. Okay.
340. So hers says, okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 360. Hold on, that's the wrong one. I'm sorry. have it? Okay. It's 360 0340.
Okay, and that's the meeting ID 360-360-0340.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so much.
you're welcome.
All right.
Jenny, what happened to Carter?
So Carter, remember that was the one as
Benny Carter?
exam for April 12th.
That's the one that went to April 12th?
Mm-hmm.
See, victim advocate's out here for it too.
She, I don't
For
know why
Carter?
she
Yeah.
she knew about that. She came on that day, I thought. But maybe she didn't.
What time is it, April 12th, you know? Yeah.
What's
I'll let her
the
know.
time again?
210-560-4801.
Wait a minute, I got that information.
At 2:45 p.m.
2:45. Okay, I'm gonna let her know.
We did the
Thanks.
PCC on March 12th.
Yep, okay.
Yep, Benny Carter.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Mac Ripley is their attorney. What day was that again?
For who?
For that Benny Carter. I didn't even put a date for it. Next
He
quarter.
shouldn't even be on your docket. Is he on your docket?
No,
He was
no,
on
no,
Blair's docket because
Benny Carter was in here. We had that case on the 12th.
oh, for March, oh, you're looking at March 12th.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And I never had the exam date because I couldn't give it to you.
April 12th at 2:45.
That's Mac Ripley's case.
Yep.
Excuse me. Yes. We'll be,
Oh, that's for Mr. Kidd. Mr. Winters,
did they
you
leave
want a
there?
copy?
Who's this for?
Or Mr. Goldsy, huh?
Is this for the guy?
Yeah, the one in Locker.
Do I get a, no, I don't get anything for that, right?
I can give you an ROA.
That'd be fine, thank you, so I can, yeah. Next case, 9:45? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna see who's out here. And who showed up.
Good morning, folks. Sorry for the delay. I was stuck at the South Gate court in a Zoom.
That's on, Jenny. All right. Calling case number 1861589. The people of the state of Michigan versus David Tiernan. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny in a building. This matter is here on a hearing for a bond.
Morning, Judge Scott Nadeau, P64316 on behalf of Mr. Tiernan. Mr. Tiernan, please state your name for the record.
David Tiernan.
Thank you.
Morning, Judge. May it please the court, Richmond M. Riggs, P3386, Attorney General on behalf of the people.
Thank you again, Judge, for taking this matter this morning. I did not expect to be stuck at Southgate as long as I was, and I'm still not done over there.
All right. Yeah. Go ahead.
Your Honor, my client is on bond. This case is from 2018. He is a lifelong resident of Michigan. He has a home that he owns in Pontiac. He also is an electrician. He has children here. I'm sorry, I might be wrong about the electrician. He has children here. He's taking his daughters, like to take his daughters to Orlando for spring break. He's made the plans. He could provide a full itinerary. I believe he's already provided a full itinerary to pretrial services. From my understanding, I spoke with the woman from pretrial services yesterday. She has no objection to this trip and has provided this court with the proposed order. I would ask this court to allow him to take this trip with his daughters. He takes his case very seriously. He's talked to me extensively about it. We reviewed the discovery, and I think we can come to a good resolution for him. It's a lot different today.
You're paying now.
All right. I'm sorry. His life is a lot different today than it was at the time of the alleged incident. He's I don't think there's any worry for this court that he will abscond from bond.
All right, Mr. Riggs, anything you want to say or add?
Judge, I don't have an objection to the motion. I did speak to Mr. Nadeau, and I'm satisfied that Mr. Tiernan will be appearing when he's ordered.
All right. All right, the court's going to grant the motion and sign the order.
Thank you, Judge. Good day.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Tiernan, the pretrial services woman will provide you with the documentation. You should carry that with you on the plane in case you have an issue with the TSA. Okay?
Yes, sir. Do I go down there and get it, or are they going to mail it?
Just talk with her about that. We're still in court. I don't want to involve everybody. You and I, if you have any more questions, please call me on the phone. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Riggs. Thank you very much.
Everyone have a good day. Be safe.
Good weekend.
All right. Be safe. Good weekend.
Stay safe. Get out of here. Babe.
Hey, who's that? What's the chairman before you? Oh,
Turn it off.
What are prosecutors on that case, Tucker? Is it Moody? Moody's not there?
Moody.
That should
Is
be
he?
Moody.
Okay, let me get him in. Ben, I think nothing's happened today. Mr. Moody? Come on in.
Yeah, you can bring the attorney. Is the attorney here?
Attorney's not here. DiMaggio? Is he on the? No. Is he on there? No.
Well, he didn't answer.
So I heard on the radio that tomorrow morning at 5:47, spring arrives.
Yeah.
Hopefully we've scammed out of more snow for the year. Doing something special for your birthday, Kitty?
No, I think he's making dinner for you. I don't know about it.
That would be good.
Not really much you can do there.
Have you been to, you probably have, recently though, have you been to Paul's Steak? Mr. Paul's?
Chop House?
Chop House, yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
went for Valentine's Day.
This year?
Mhm.
How was it?
It was nice.
Was it crowded in there or no? Or they
Yeah,
limit
it was
seating?
kind of crowded.
Was it?
For it to be, yeah, it was kind of crowded.
Yeah, that's a decent place. I like that place. It's
Yeah,
kind
it
of
was
old
nice.
fashioned,
Mm-hmm.
you know?
Yeah, it was nice.
that's good. It's been a while since we've been there.
Yeah.
What'd you
What?
get? Frog legs?
No, I have steak.
You got a steak?
But I tried oysters for the first time too.
Raw?
No.
They were cooked, okay. Steamed or whatever?
Yeah.
Were they
They were
good?
good.
Were they good?
Oh, here's Mr. Ronald. 439 3 times. Hello? Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Yes. Where you at? You're where? Oh, is the door locked? Yes. Okay. Okay, that's weird. He said he's at the courtroom door. He must be on the wrong floor.
This door's open.
No, you're right there at the door.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. you gotta do
Don't
that.
pull it, it's open.
So what? He called me to let me know he was at the door.
There he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Got Mr. DiMaggio here?
Yeah. Call.
Okay. You got a pen, Barbara?
Yeah. Yep, you ready?
Where's your client?
He's in the hospital.
Yeah, he's in. Calling case number 1858973, the people of the state of Michigan versus Yancey Tucker. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, possession cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 2, controlled substance, possession of marijuana, synthetic equivalent. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honors. Prosecutor Ronald.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619 of Yachty Tucker, who is not present. He's in the hospital.
It's in Havenwood.
Yes,
Psychiatric hospital.
right.
Are you moving to have him evaluated?
I think at this one, yes. I talked to his mother, and he does have long-term mental problems.
Well, staff to give a magic word. Have to know that he's either unable to assist you or he doesn't understand the proceedings and parties involved.
He's unable to assist me, Your Honor.
All right, and of course, I'm going to refer this matter to the Center for Forensic Psychiatry for evaluation for competency to stand trial. Do you want criminal responsibility also?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and criminal responsibility. Okay, the date,
June 14th.
was that June 14th?
Good day.
That'll be a cop, Judge.
Yep, our competency here.
6/14.
8:30.
8:30.
One. Okay, sorry. I didn't have enough coffee.
Everybody have a good day. Take care of yourself.
That was last week.
And Brian, don't hit the door.
We're good to go.
Hey, Brian. Here's a-
Thanks. Thank you, Your Honor. I can get my doctor appointment at 10:45, so get in enough. Thanks.
Oh, wait a minute, okay. We, wait a minute, case, run that.
Excuse me, sir. Can I-
Chad, go ahead, Chad.
Ooh. calling you Shaft? Shaft from where?
Somebody told me you turned up 100 tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. No, 25 times. No,
Happy birthday.
thank you.
Y'all doing right?
Probably did dinner.
Hey, you get your AL.
You don't want no. Sound like him.
You got something? Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Glenn, is there another 11 o'clock?
He does?
Yeah. Think so.
No.
Yeah. Mariah Brown?
That was a waiver. We did that the other day. Man, you must have an old docket.
I'm telling you.
Blair,
I gotta get up to speed here.
Blair, you must have an old.
Right. Jeez, oh, Pete.
Yeah, Mariah Brown was a waiver, I remember that name. Big one.
200-603-7501.
Yep, we did it yesterday.
Oh, I wasn't here.
We did
that's
do
why.
it yesterday?
Okay.
That's right, because you know what, it was set for today, but
Yeah, Mariah Brown.
They came in?
Yeah.
yeah, the defendant, she took off the wrong day, so.
Who
we
was
wanted
here
to come in
yesterday? Was it
Matt?
there?
Matt.
Okay. I haven't seen that all week.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was way bound over.
Mhm.
You probably couldn't find the file because I had already pulled it. Okay, so that was on 3/18.
Yeah.
Does it give an AOI date?
4/1.
Okay.
At 9 a.m.
What, 4/1 and 9 AM? Not 9:01?
Been kinky.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Tell me what you're doing at 10:30 over here. There's no one out there so far at 10:30 for 10:30. All right. Is this the RA
Yes,
right here?
yep, and that's for him. That's his guy,
This guy, what guy?
the defendant.
Oh, you're right on, thank you, yeah. And who is this for?
Huh?
What's this for?
That's for you. It's attached to the green one, I mean, the yellow copy.
Oh, okay.
Because that doesn't go to him, that goes to,
The court,
The
it's
jail.
jail, right?
right,
It's a CS and it's, okay. This one is,
for him.
and this one is for the jail, okay.
Just want to make sure I put that together.
Yeah, so just attach it to the yellow copy, that ROA. Okay, next one is 10:30.
So was that dismissed without prejudice?
Yeah, talking about kid. Dang, everybody left, huh? Mhm. I should go run and use the restroom real quick. Minutes.
Medication.
Mm-hmm.
My physician told me this medication that I take, makes your nose run.
Well, yeah, so take a race drive. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Okay.
You got police officers out of town, any comments?
I do.
Yeah, okay. Michelle, give me a song.
Oh, you had one group wrong yesterday. You said Starlight Show was by Blue Notes, Bill's Blue Magic.
Blue Magic, okay.
Blue Notes were with Harold Notes.
Harold Melvin and Blue Notes, you're right. With us.
Yeah.
It was funny because a couple times you heard him saying, you thought it was Harold Melvin, it was really Teddy.
Right.
And then all of a sudden they started saying, preacher Teddy. Teddy was like, turn it off.
He was the drummer. Yeah, he started off as the drummer.
Yeah. He got that. Real
Yeah, by the
deep
time
baritone.
by the time he came on as his own artist, they just had to let him go.
They had that. It was just too
There was
much.
nothing else they could do.
Too much. And he's the only one I remember having private shows just with women. They go, daddy's up there. And one time I remember he was on stage, they said he was on stage, and someone threw it off the people, it was like this long. He said, who's these people? He said, oh no. Eddie Cunningham was saying, you get you can go to sleep because that voice is cool. He got a TV.
Mm-hmm. Seems like it zaps everything.
Hi, can you look at, in that first drawer, was there any place in there?
Let me look up. Which one? Over here?
Yeah, in the
Right here.
top one.
That's a negative.
No?
We have anything else? Because you would have taken it off. Don't want even thought about it.
Kim usually has some. No, it wasn't, there weren't any in here, Judge.
Maybe Judge King would have some. They were from this, yeah, they might have some. We do have Mr. Glazer here. His client's not here yet, but it's at 10:30 case.
4 minutes.
Debbie first. Oh, minutes.
No, that's 6 minutes.
Well, hey, in this case, it's 4 minutes.
Is there a lot of people in the hall?
No, police officer, 2 police officers, Reg, he gets 11:30 when I think, Reg. Wait a minute.
Yeah, Regis said 11:30.
I think, Joyce. One, two, three. Yeah, 5 prisoners.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
3 homicides.
What's up?
I do have exam at 12 for Cataway.
Cataway, yeah.
Yes. There's a new docket that's going to start on Monday. It's a special docket in the front of Judge Council. Is there a way we could reset it because they're going to be given special programs for the CCWs, Judge? I'm not sure if the court heard about the program.
Yeah, I got an email, but they're not transferring cases. It's just he's picking up the new cases, not the old one.
All right. So, okay. So I was hoping maybe we could avail ourselves of that program that's going to start Monday on the 24th.
Yeah, I don't know how.
That's Wednesday.
That's Wednesday, yeah.
Wednesday, the 24th.
This way we could cancel the exam today and just set it in.
I can't set an exam on his docket.
Not an exam, just reset it as a PTC, Judge.
Oh, no, I'm not doing that.
Okay. Is the prosecutor present in the courtroom, Judge?
Nope.
Is it Mr. Moody?
Yes. He's here, but he stepped out. It should be right back
I need
in
to
a minute.
since you need to check
it. Is there a phone number for him? I could call him, Judge.
Yeah, there is a little flare right there.
Here I am.
Oh, here he is.
Want me to get Mr. Glazer?
No, I get him.
Was that Ash? Hi, Ash.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Moody. How are you? Is there a way you could call me so we could talk about this exam this afternoon?
I'm sorry, your pardon. Talk about the exam this afternoon?
Is there any way you can call him?
Oh.
He's on the 12:30.
It's on the 12:30?
Yeah.
Well, I got kind of full schedule. I don't know if I'd be able to get to talk to you much about the case.
Just briefly.
What's that?
Briefly, are you ready to go on that exam?
I emailed you back yesterday, said basically all I do is subpoena, but I can't guarantee whether people are gonna be here or not.
All right.
But I did subpoena everybody. They should be here.
All right.
Okay, that's all I can tell you. I'm sorry.
All right.
I don't have confirmation either way.
Judge, are you accepting Zoom waivers before the exam today?
Yeah. Gonna get your client on.
All right.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Marcus. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I have Charles Thomas. He should be zooming in any moment now, Judge. We're going to be doing a waiver of the exam.
Okay.
Charlestown?
Yeah. You got a client?
No, Judge.
Nope.
Ready on Nathaniel Townsend?
Yes.
Calling case number 2060384, the people of the state of Michigan versus Nathaniel Townsend Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Jeffrey Glazer, P 4689, penal gap for Mr. Townsend.
Your client.
Judge, I have been unable to locate Mr. Townsend. I've made diligent efforts to try to find him, Judge. Unfortunately, I don't have any further explanation as to his whereabouts.
Okay. All right, well, case is shown in or any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. Your bond set at 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, thank you, Judge. I'm gonna do, comment.
Okay. Ready on Charles Thomas?
I'll let my officers know. The last one.
Tell them after this.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, this is just a waiver.
Okay, good.
Take yourself over.
Calling case number 2062781, the people of the state of Michigan versus Charles Thomas. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Prosecutor Whitaker, people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Stephanie Farkas, P 74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, can you please unmute yourself and please state your name for the record?
My name is Charles Thomas.
Judge, today's date and time set for preliminary examination in the case. I have advised Mr. Thomas of his right to have a preliminary examination in which the people would have to establish by probable cause that he's the individual who had committed the alleged offense. We are asking the court to waive the preliminary examination hearing and agree to be bound over to circuit court.
All right, if you have any objection?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, Mr. Thomas, you understand that you have a statutory right to the preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and by probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, nothing was promised.
All right, and no one threatened you?
No one's threatened me.
Okay. All right, you're waiving your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yeah.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No.
And Ms. Marcus, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Judge.
All right, court will find you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as Ronald over, Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division, for arraignment on the information, April 5th at 9 o'clock a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Have a good one, be safe.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Mr. Thomas, you can log off.
All right, thanks. I think you tell them, I'll be out there signing, get there.
What, oh, you can do?
I'll sign it.
Okay, all right, thanks.
The next one's 11:30.
That's cool, that's cool. Yeah.
But we got Mr. Petway on.
Yes, you're on.
Oh, that's what we- I guess we'll be waiting. At 12:30?
Oh.
He's in the background. Mr. Petway?
I'll get on.
Blair.
Yes, sir.
Turn your video on, please.
Okay.
Mr. Patway, do you know how to turn your video on?
I'm turning it on right now.
Okay.
I think it's on.
Yes, it's on.
It's on now. Thank you. Just waiting for the prosecutor to come back in and then we're going to do it.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
You're fine.
Yeah, just a second.
You ready, Blair?
Yeah,
12:30 is waiving.
okay.
Calling case number 2060400, the people of the state of Michigan versus Adonis Petway. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bar number 687 on behalf of Mr. Adonis Petaway, who's also present. No objection to proceeding via Zoom, Judge.
All right, what's your pleasure, counsel?
Respect to Your Honor, I did explain to Mr. Petaway his right to hold or wait the preliminary examination to show more likely than not that crime was committed and that he allegedly committed the crime. At this time, he's waiving his preliminary examination, Judge.
Do you have any objection?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, Mr. Petway, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and by probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam? That way?
Petaway,
Okay, I think your screen froze for a second.
I said no.
Has anyone promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
All right, you waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, sir.
And counsel, do you have an objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
no objection, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as filed over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be April 5th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m.
April 5th, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Bond
Thank you.
continue.
Thank you, Judge. All right, you could do my.
All right, have a good one. Be safe.
Thank you, Judge.
It was Petway, right?
No, Petway, yeah.
He said you trying to see if, you
What's
where
that?
Cape is?
What's
that
that?
on Townsend?
Townsend was.
Yeah, because I already
Is
seen
that
it.
Thomas or Townsend next up here?
Yeah, well, one is a waiver, one's a Cape.
Right. Thomas, I think, is the waiver.
Yeah, I would just sign one of them. He said he's waiting on you, so he can come in now. I'll sign.
Okay.
You said Kenneth Thomas is gonna be a waiver?
Charles Thomas already, the one we did.
Oh, Charles Thomas. Yeah.
So we did that one.
So. Everything is good. I think I got a little better sleep. I feel a little more awake than I did. Yesterday I was really out of it. I heard it's nice and sunny outside too.
Yeah.
And when you hear it, you don't go to the one, you don't see nothing. We'll have another one to 11:30. God.
Yeah.
Hmm?
You're going to do today.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, you guys gonna be okay? I'm gonna check on the second floor, see if they need a little help with some of the prisoners. They have prisoners.
Oh,
Oh, Mr. Glenn is here.
How you doing, Mr. Glenn? Great, yourself? Good. Thank you.
My brother has a tennis one
Yep.
exam.
Uh-huh.
Got one.
12:15.
I'm gonna stand there for him. So. Okay, I'm down at Judge Archer. But, I'll be right back.
Okay.
You have a prisoner down
No.
there?
Oh, yeah, I do have a prisoner.
Yeah, I know she had quite a few. I was wondering if you were down.
Okay, well, like, whiskey? It's not, I'm not like. Or.
I hope pretty good. It's good to see you.
Okay, I'll see you guys.
All right, I'm gonna go down there because I got to take the jail stuff. I see it.
You leaving outside? Who's gonna be in there?
Well, I'll stay. Nobody's got a hospital locked up. No one should be coming in here until I'm done, you know. But I'll stay here and make sure I cover, look out for my judge and my court officer extraordinaire. Court clerk extraordinaire. I said, I'll stay and make sure nothing happened to Kitty. It is her birthday. She's like, oh no, don't leave me.
You don't blame it on me.
Yeah, you don't want to you don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
About to eat a piece of this cake.
Yeah. It looks good. If it's good, I'm gonna order me a cake
It does.
for Rachel or Rachel's birthday. I can do it for Rachel's birthday. Her birthday is the 28th.
Of March?
Yeah.
Oh.
She does them in, with all kinds. Maybe any shape you want.
I want a heart.
You said a bit. How old is she?
She's 21.
Oh.
I think she'd be 22, right? Wait a minute. I might be wrong. She's 21. She'll be 22 this year. And because Karina will be 24, right?
No, Tyrone, can't remember how old your big girl is.
No, I'm thinking, I know she has to be 21 already, because, yeah, she has to be. She starts 20. 21, 21.
Charles Thomas. My heart hurt outside.
You never signed it? Sure.
Correct. That's correct, sir.
Did you win, Judge? Did your team win?
Well, we was in pickup on yesterday.
Oh.
And, I went out there playing. Everything was hurting. I was hurting, trying to shoot, the legs were hurting. I tried to stop. You know, I just need to play through it. But they not been playing for about 2 hours.
So did it get better as you played?
Yeah, she got better, and then even afterwards, took a shower and I got to leave out to go home. When I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling good. I'm saying, oh,
Hey, it's on you.
playing through it was like,
I told you.
Yeah, that was good. You could play through it.
So you made today?
Still signing.
What a dream.
All right, you right back.
All right, Jerry.
Just family got sick, he didn't get sick.
No, I want to do it.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, this is where it's from.
Oh, yeah. So he waited. Hey, I don't remember how long you got. Just 15 minutes. 40. Yeah, about 40 minutes. Yeah. I'm in the PDU and I'm at the.
You're grown up now.
I'm like 34.
Oh. Maybe I should be the next round.
Oh, good. You still get somebody.
I'm gonna stay on that. Hell yeah. You're giving people on marriage.
Who does?
Yeah. You work in
You don't mind.
Hey,
Hey,
Katie,
Rich.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm better, so I have a 10:30 next door, but we just got bumped. It's 7 witnesses.
You just got bumped.
Yeah, because the defense attorney needed some time to do something on Zoom, the court, the judge came and said, I'll call my 11 o'clock. But he's calling them now for a CCW, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. And then us, 7 witnesses, I'm not gonna be here another 34.
Yes.
We're stuck.
So the one over there is 7 witnesses?
I'm
And
trying,
then ours is 11:30.
I'm trying to cut it down to 4 witnesses, but the defense said they want to stipulate the hearsay. I had the officers for hearsay here, so. They
Does
don't-
your,
They were shelved. Need to hear it right now, so.
right, that's the problem. I was gonna say, if they're here, maybe we could do yours now. How many witnesses you got on there?
I'm not gonna give it to him, it's not gonna get done, we can't get him.
Oh, great.
I know.
So.
If John Giles was that open here, would he still be restricted? Is it right here?
I don't. Yeah, I could just tell them that, you know, just what you said, the judge called you here.
Think they're not gonna show up.
Do you think Judge King will give you a break at 11:30 to see if, you know, if your officers and stuff are here?
Right, I can find out. I think he's doing a CCW now, 1 witness, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't think it's gonna take that long. Right, so unless I'm doing it.
And then we need to see if Rochelle shows up.
Right, yeah.
Well. Get a break.
Okay.
Witnesses are here.
Okay, I know that my OIC
Check
is
and
here.
see if, defendant's here.
Right, okay. I saw my OIC is here. I don't know if the officer testifies here yet, but. Okay, so I'll do that. But-
I mean, if the defendant doesn't show, I can text you.
Okay. Okay. That'll work. I
Yeah, I'll
appreciate
do
that.
that.
All right, thank you much.
All right, thank you.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Why is everybody know it's my birthday?
No, Ruth.
Hi, it's telling everybody tomorrow.
I'm sorry, the rumor mill. My birthday's on Tuesday. Yeah, I took. My birthday's on Tuesday.
Is it? Oh, you're an Aries.
Yes, I. But that's how you close, man. You got some Pisces.
Yeah.
My wife and my sister are both on the 5th, so they're both Pisces. They're both same day.
Oh, okay. March 5th? That's
curious. Yeah.
Mine's March the 3rd.
Is it? See, that's March baby's here. That's right. Get ready for that spring weather. All right, I'm gonna go visit you tonight. Thank you, Dad.
All right.
I know, man. But you know, him going over there might.
Yeah, that might put a little damper.
Yeah, they got like seven
witnesses.
All right, take care of yourself.
Thank you.
All right. Good to see you. I'll see you next time.
Oh, really? Okay.
At Mariah Brown, we had officers come in today because, remember Mariah, we brought her in yesterday? Remember Mariah Brown?
Oh, the officers came in
They came today
today.
because it's supposed to be on a day, docket. We waived that, okay, I'm gonna go out
Yeah,
there.
it's a waiver.
Yeah.
It was a waiver.
Wait, because I heard that name, I said, Brown, we're not Brown today. Never made me think about it.
All right. We got it.
You come down, you see the police, I'll come down, you know what's down right there, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah. He did what he told me. Yep, I get that. Hey, work on it. This is his end.
but, yeah, right. So, I mean, I just don't want to. I can't. Oh, it's all right. Here, I pulled this. This today, Friday, I pulled this for Friday, must have pulled it up on Wednesday. It was on the docket on Wednesday, but on Thursday we came in, so the docket came on, it's not on it. I have our file, right, Matt was looking for the file, because I already pulled it. Yeah, you already pulled it, so he could. So he could, well, but when he got it, let these guys know. No. No, so it's, here, you go this. This meeting when you're supposed to be, you can't go. You did the. You should not, you're not. It's so funny. No, I really love it. It happens. Yeah, you can't get angry about it. Don't comment on it. Anything. Okay? Yeah, I heard you there. Yep. You don't always like it, but sometimes it's hard. Zooming in, now they want to, walking in on a board, now they want to examine another thing. And this line is what's actually, it takes me another 20. Oh, like, maybe Snow emailed me and I didn't get it. Yeah, well, whatever, he's feeling it. But I'm, you know, he really was so mad. You're working. He's on duty anyway. I was like, really? I mean, all I see of the day off. I can see him getting upset. Oh, I see. If you all do, you gotta come. Yeah. You want to. Otherwise, you're working anyway. What difference does it make? That's what got me. You're safer in here than you are out there. Yeah. I don't care what job you work in, you got a couple of loose screws. Well. Whatever. We do our jobs. I don't take that personally at all. No, you shouldn't. No, I don't either. I just do, he has to know. And maybe the older guys got to tell him. Yeah. That was kind of like, really? Yeah. That's your job, regardless. You got a subpoena? And I'm glad you followed through with it. Right. And if they didn't do it, then you got me. So what happens if you got here and it waived anyway? He'd still be here. It's the same thing. That's right. That's what, you might not think about that at the time, but you're right. It's the same thing. You're here and you just say, okay. You might as well just put the waiver on the record today. That's true. You're right. Are you gonna be angry about that? Yeah, right. Oh, man. So anyways, you know, this is the way it is. Yeah. All right, I gotta go see if I can. Wow, I helped 74 people this weekend, Wayne's. Really? Yeah. See that? I thought it was your dad. No, that's my son. He has red hair? Yeah, he's right here. Yeah. Who's in the family? Did you have red hair? I had some red hair. Well, yeah, what happened was, when I would have been like a real kind of red, blonde here, red here. Okay, I see. You know? It's a lot of shit. It was lighter. Yeah, when you get older, it darkens. Again, it depends on sun and make it up. Yeah, yeah. You got highlights on it and stuff. No, it does naturally, but it gets darker. I used to do it light hair. So at least I still have. You are not. What are you? You are. This is it's gonna be. This is let me see that. Reginald. I hope that's not. No, Reginald's the one at 11:30. I just hope nothing was added on to this old document. Yeah, let's look and see. Let's compare. Hopefully they'll add it. Okay, so 11:30. 15. That's yours. Rochelle's not mine. This one, Smith, Thomas, and this one's Wade. These two are mine. These two, okay, are yours. And this one is Andrew's. Rochelle? Yep. Part two. Yep. Oh, cool. Yeah.
kidding me?
You know, Secretary,
Oh,
even
here
though,
it is.
even though I wanted to go and see if I could help them, we had like a brash of police officer come. Some of the cases were way clinky, so I had
Oh.
to sign off, so I'm glad you can't go. I mean, even though I had a good, wouldn't mind have doing it, but it is what it is.
Yeah, it was just, I didn't want you to get caught down there.
No, I wasn't gonna
You know,
get
'cause
caught
you wanted
where
to help, and sometimes you can get caught somewhere not
No, I wasn't.
wanting to do it.
Well,
It just so happens.
I know what time we had here, and I wasn't gonna be, this is my call. I'll help if I
Right.
can for a little bit, but you're like I'm over.
Right. Ain't nobody up here helping you. Yeah, no, it's not.
That, no. And the thing is, as long as, we don't have any in custody, so it's perfect. And I really, I never have fear for anything, so even if I had someone in custody, but if I saw him acting up or doing things before he came in,
Right.
I gotta get somebody over because just in case I don't get that leg up my hands. My quick hands is not quick as me. So you're going out to dinner on the birthday, right? You taking it out?
Yeah.
Are the kids gonna be coming over and they're gonna be there saying happy birthday?
Who, my kids? Well, my youngest son is there. He just-
Yeah, but your other son,
I don't
is he
know.
out of the
My
country?
oldest son is so flip-floppy.
You better get with the program.
You better at least call me.
Right, at least do that. Yeah, I don't know. Because I tell guys, man, some kids think they have a hard taste you something else. They say, well, the little stuff I took that I thought was a biggie wasn't really a biggie.
Right.
You know what I mean? I mean, come on. And knowing you, I know you did the best you could do. I just know your personality. That's how we are as far as I know we are.
Right.
So that's what we do. I mean, how I was raised, take care of business. But they gotta take care of business too as part of, like me, I had to take care of, they gave me the 411, but if I didn't take it, that's on me.
Right.
Yeah. So we make our own beds too. Especially, what's funny, when you get a certain age, I get tired of people blaming their parents when they get a certain age. Well, dude, really? It's ladies coming on my. Well, so that's why you keep doing it stupid. Come on.
Right, that's yours.
That's yours. You can't blame someone for you're a grown up doing stupid stuff. I mean, okay, after a while, you gotta say, I gotta take my own. Whatever comes to me, comes to me.
Right.
It's just like me. My father and mother got 16. My father was there, and I really could have used him, I think, really at the I started acting out. But because who I am, I came back to who I'm supposed to be. And I remember the things that he did to me.
Mm-hmm.
So,
But that's good.
yeah, and going to church, I was in church like that. I didn't go to church. Not a whole lot, but I used to go.
Happy birthday.
I'm sorry, I hope I can help you tell people who come in here and you pretty
Oh,
close.
no, I'm okay with that. That's fine. No. Go right ahead. Go right.
You say he called you Shad.
Right. Where's Shaq from?
He's smooth like that. Shad, you ever seen the movie Shad?
Yeah.
Okay, well, can you brother be called Shad?
No one understands him, but it's one body.
Josh. He's what, certain people are called Shad. People think worthy of being called Shad. Not everybody can't be called Shad.
Not everybody.
Not everybody ain't got that cool. And with the
I
new
guess
chef,
'cause
with the new chef, you got the ball here too,
Yeah.
But so
It was just, his, they call him Flex, that's
I know.
his code name.
Yeah, I know.
So I guess I was just using.
Brian Johnson, he's a good guy.
Yeah, like Brian, we be busting.
I know y'all do.
These are my killers.
You call up, see how you know?
This is me back years ago. That's how.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
That's you were blonde.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, my,
Isn't
check
that
this
weird?
out. Check that.
That's
That is
you,
Blair, man.
Yeah.
Look at
There's a
Blair.
couch.
Hey, that's real.
Where?
That's
Yeah.
really black.
Yeah. That's how much it changed.
God.
You know?
It did get darker.
Yeah, it
You get
does.
older, yeah.
When you get older, we were just talking about that. It changes.
Man, look at Blair
Isn't that
move.
weird?
Yeah.
I wish I still had my car.
That's you too. I can see the face.
Oh, yeah,
That's you, man. That's you. I'm looking at that. What kind of, you had the Chevelle.
No,
No, that Falcon?
that's a Pontiac.
That's a Pontiac.
Le Mans.
Le Mans. Now,
I loved that car.
yeah, I could tell it was
Right.
sporty.
It
It
was
was
like-
sporty. I remember
I
the
put
Le Mans.
100 and what I got, finally had it, 192,000. Never did a thing to it.
I don't know if I have a picture of the car up here. The car had a Charger. Line.
Oh, nice.
1970. You? Why'd you get rid of it? Excuse me, I didn't get rid of it. Got in an accident.
Oh.
I'm at a party on Livernois. There's a club called Chessmate.
Mm-hmm.
Back in there, I come out, my car was done. Oh my God, I was so upset. Everybody wanted to race me. When they see me, they wanted.
Was it at a 440 or something? Did you?
Nice. Well, no, I had the 386. I had the 440. But it was good. It was fast.
383 or 386?
380.
383.
I think it's 383.
Yeah. Yeah.
And everybody wanted to race me because it looked good. I was good there. I
Yeah, it
remember-
was a fast car.
Oh man, I love that car. Oh God, and I think it's one of the first cars to have the vinyl,
First car had what?
the vinyl top. Mine
Oh,
had a
yours had
vinyl
vinyl
top.
too? Yeah, see, this
It
one
was-
had vinyl.
Yeah, see, and it was like a big, it was a white vinyl. Oh,
Yeah.
that great,
Yeah.
lime gray. Oh man, that car, I love
Yeah.
that car. Oh, I was
Vinyl
so
was
hurt
big.
when I saw her with it. And I had a Barracuda, 64 Barracuda.
It is a nice car.
Remember the Barracuda with the
Barracuda.
hatchback? Yeah.
Yeah, with a fastback
You push the button,
for transmission.
put the start it and everything. Reverse.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Push the button.
Wow.
That was cool.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Man, I remember my mom had it. They gave it to me. I was like, yes.
Oh, was your family here buying this car?
Father's car first.
Your dad's, yeah, yeah. This was my dad's car too. He handed it down.
Yeah.
100,000
And
miles
the,
on it.
and the Charger was my mom's car.
Yeah. That's a nice car.
That was, man, we talking about. I drive that to ladies who want to get a car all the time, man.
Yeah. Back then,
They
when it counted.
Yeah, when it counted. Like,
Yeah.
come on. Yeah, but now.
Now it's like you don't care. At least I don't.
Who cares?
I don't care. I mean, you know.
Really, I don't be thinking about that, man. It's
No.
like,
No.
and when I see guys, old people, I'm like, what are you doing?
Old dudes driving a vet.
Trying to,
Yeah.
hey,
Oh, yeah.
my car, see, it wasn't bad, it's too small. My knees, I just couldn't be in a little smaller
Yeah,
car.
I just.
I'll go give me a Jeep
Yeah.
or some other toys.
That would be fun.
Give me like
You get yourself into a vet, you can't get yourself out of it.
I'm trying to crawl out. What case?
Rochelle?
We haven't done that case yet. You can sign in though.
Yeah, I was just looking to sign it, yeah.
Okay, that's Reggie's case. Thanks. I have Reggie's. Yeah.
Wrong, I heard it. Yeah.
All right, we have, we waived, yes, we waived that.
All I see was here.
On fiesta today.
Yeah, well, no, that's correct.
Oh, okay, I was trying to get them in.
Oh, I'm going down there right now. Dang it.
What's wrong?
Yeah, but I thought I picked it up before that, but I'm,
I think so.
huh?
Down to that brown.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for coming down. Sorry about that.
If they be safe.
Thank you. Yeah.
Judge, I'll be back. They said there's some supplies and procurement.
Supplies. Get yourself some sticky notes.
I did get some.
You did?
Yeah, and I picked up an order, but they're saying there's something else in there. More, I don't know. Let me go see. Unless it's Kim, maybe Kim ordered something. Right, I'll be right back.
Anybody stay up late enough to catch that game last night?
Which game? The Michigan State game?
Yep.
I didn't stay, yeah, I did, man, can't buy me. What time was the game?
It was delayed
Oh,
because they
that's
had
why
to sanitize the arena.
That's why.
Yankee Arena.
Okay. Because I was looking for it and then.
Yeah, no, they said online, it said 9:47.
Right.
Okay, which was a bizarre time, but anyway.
Yeah.
I had it on, wanted, finally they said, yeah, we're holding for sanitation of the arena. And then there was the other group on the other channel, True TV or something like that. They had their panel there, the guys that were talking about, they had the same issue, they had to wait.
Okay.
So the games were pushed off.
You know,
So I watched half of it.
but they lost, man, in overtime.
In overtime.
And I heard
One-
they had a good lead.
They had 11 point, it was 44-53 going into half. And then something happened between Brown and Hall on the last shot by the opposing UCLA. They were gonna call a 3-point, but it didn't make it a 3-point, he was on the line. But their coverage got mixed up or something, the defense coverage for state. Apparently those two guys, were like on the court after the shot drop. And then, of course, it was over, the half. Those two players were like, kind of like, come on, man, what? Something like that kind of thing. So then Izzo pulls Brown aside. And
Rochelle was in this court.
Yes, Your Honor, excuse me. You had a gentleman on Zoom this morning that he thought he was supposed to be on Zoom. He's in the hallway, but he said he couldn't find a sitter.
He can't what?
He couldn't find a sitter. He thought he was supposed to be on Zoom. So he got his little girl with him.
that ain't good.
That's him out there. I thought he was
Was
in your
that
court.
Capias? He was Capias?
No,
no,
he's here for an examination.
That's Rochelle?
Yes,
He's with Pat two. That's with
Oh,
Reginald.
that's
Reginald was
Reggie's
over
case.
in your room. Reginald over there.
he's out, but originally we done today.
Oh, God. I had
Was it a Zoom
7.
case?
Yeah, they waived.
Oh, wow. That's good. 'Cause they had
They
like
had 7 witnesses
So we could do Reginald.
on the chop
So
shop.
Reginald waived?
No, not Reginald.
The attorney.
Case.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
The attorney for the defense. Not here, but over there.
Oh, next
He's
door.
doing a case. He was doing a case. He had 7 witnesses.
Reginald did it, yes, okay, King's courtroom.
So he thought it was gonna go for a while, but the attorney waived it.
Gotcha, okay.
So he can be here on
Yeah,
time.
he said it was just King's courtroom.
So, how are we gonna work with that, Judge? We'll see when his attorney come, right? His attorney's supposed to come too, right? That's,
He doesn't have any family members that can come over here and come get the child, yeah. He's gotta call somebody.
Brown.
Something happened, I decided, well, no, I'm locking it up.
Yeah.
And be a problem. And then I
He used to
said,
have a
okay,
family member come and
call
get the baby.
Protective services to get the baby.
Right, but I'll if you can get in touch with Brown, maybe Brown can help him advise his client to do some things, So, I don't know which Brown it is either.
Yeah.
Well, there's 2 Browns.
Yeah, you got a Brian Brown, you got a
Brian,
Mike Brown, Mark Brown, and it's another Brown.
Oh, the attorney.
Yeah. You know the attorneys on that case?
Reginald knows?
Oh, that's right, it'd be Reginald. Let me go.
Was it in court file?
Yeah, he gonna have it. It wouldn't be hard to
act like I had a big box of supplies or something. I could have brought this to, I don't know, did you order this, Josh? A planner? Maybe Kim did. Okay. CR439, that's yours, Paul. Good, how are you? Mhm.
Mark Brown. Is it Mark Brown? Yeah. Okay.
You got a case number by any chance?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, how you doing?
Doing well. Yourself?
Good.
Good. It's Mark Brown, who's attorney. It's Mark Brown's.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Call somebody, come get a shower.
Uh-huh.
I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, you go ahead. I just wanted to know who the attorney is.
All right. All right.
I can't, you can give up that time, but.
Okay, I'm not sure, where did you hear it was, found? It's scheduled for today. No, that's, he was, mechanical did his docket for him, for an absence of Judge Giles. All right, well, we have to get on to the time and stuff. Okay.
Well. Right. That's Mark Brown?
Huh?
That's Mark Brown?
No,
Oh.
no, I didn't get that because I was on the phone with the attorney, Smith.
Yeah.
So what happened?
Mark Brown, I don't see him out there. He got a client out there, has a kid with him. All right, that's our 1130 case with Reg. And I talked to the client, Your Honor. Judge Giles. I talked to the client out there, Mark Brown's client. He said he said, I got a quarter for the attorney. I said, you don't know his name? He said, no, I talked to him 3 months ago. So I don't know why I don't get in touch with the clients ahead of time. You know?
That's if you are. I don't know what he is.
Good night.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Supposed to have a 12 o'clock in person.
Yes, Your Honor. I had an accident. I'm not allowed to drive yet, Your Honor.
Oh, all right. Okay.
I'm not cleared to drive for another 3 days.
Okay. Your client in person or what?
Well, that's another reason I logged in early. I've lost communication with my client last week, and I've made every attempt to contact him. I still have not heard back, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, we'll see what happens then.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Were you ever get in touch with Mr. Brown?
Yes, Michael and Michelle at 11:30. Yeah. Yes, that's a small side. What's the charge? Oh, the prosecutor is Reggie. It's larceny. It's a stolen vehicle. All right. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, you're in here. He's in here, Mark. The prosecutor is right here. Reggie. Are you gonna call him or? Okay. Mr. Brown, the attorney said he didn't have it in his calendar.
Okay.
I'm getting ready to call you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I told him. He said he was, but he said, he was gonna call a prosecutor. Probably trying to see if we can do a waiver. He was like, please don't tell me I have something in there. Yep. All right, that's this one.
He's on his way down here.
I told him to log on.
Yeah, he didn't, the appearance of, his clients here, he's not, so that he's zooming down here, quote unquote.
No.
I think you're actually zooming. Zooming. Okay. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. That's what he should. He probably don't have a number to his client. He said last time, client said last time I talked to him was 3 months ago. Is he doing that?
Yeah.
I didn't ask him.
Yeah.
I can find out, but I doubt if they won't be able to do it before the case. But, the charges. You move this. Well, it all depends on what the variance is gonna try to do. It all depends on the variance is gonna try to. I mean, let me go upstairs and see if there's a house. Because that would be done. You would think. Otherwise. Yeah. Could still be that. Good luck trying to put somebody out there. Well, yeah, I think you gotta, you know. So. Yeah. No, yeah. You know. You know, building. Absolutely. Who wrote the warrant? It's. Dennis? Dennis missed something? Yeah. That's all right. Well.
Lord have mercy.
No, I would work. Jimmy. I know you do. Yeah, for the weekend, I don't see you. Yeah. You know, hey, you want to make a camp?
Yeah.
Next week?
Somebody.
Wow. Two? Excuse me. You going someplace nice?
I know.
Oh. You gotta pay 200. That's, right, just, I didn't ask for that. No, I thought it was like. Okay, you want me to do Friday? You want me to do the Friday? Yeah. Why, because I just do karate?
You get for your son? Oh.
Remember that, yeah, I know you didn't know. Why? Are you why? Two M's. IE is always speaking. It is? Yeah, that's it. So.
Yeah, I just want to make sure.
I got you, Mike.
Take care. Be safe. All right, Jimmy. Thanks.
Where you going? Play somewhere tomorrow?
All right.
I mean, I might go, might go. I don't know.
All right.
Just wait till here.
Yeah.
So you gonna do that? Yeah. Okay. Have fun. Thank you.
Right. Mhm. Right. Yep. Oops, sorry. I know that's a good thing. Yeah, try to hold on if you can. All right. Right.
Okay, he doesn't have a phone, that's why he can't call him.
All right. Okay. What'd you say?
He's on the phone, he doesn't have a phone. Young man. So, I said, well, your attorney be here, maybe we can make some call. I don't know what's gonna happen with this case. I want to make sure about 4 or 5, maybe. Let me see that. And, I was information, she's 3 years old. And when she stood up, I said, oh, no. Oh, God. What happens to check this out? What happens? You know, but it's all to be Is it time?
Did you get this from like 12?
No. What was that? You said our 12 o'clock?
It's, what's his name?
Elton Smith?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't, yeah.
That's all over here.
Yeah, that's the best.
Stick that in, it's an extra. He was emailed it.
Yeah, I don't see one in there.
Okay.
Oh, I just got this close up. told him, cut. It's coming on. Good dog. If you come on, it comes down. Come on. Oh, that's right. His class. No, he doesn't know. Right. They ain't up there dying, too. They're dying or dying.
Where?
On that first, on that, city. Right
This,
there.
you know her, McKee? Diana?
Wayne County, yeah, she's one of the officers. Or Diane McKee.
She does the, tendering.
Yeah, yeah, she's one of the officers. She's a bodybuilder.
Really? I emailed her, tendering.
She did a fashion show for me. My nephew was running for city council. It was, fundraising.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she had a couple of officers. They did something. That was pretty sharp. Did a pretty good job.
Who's that?
Let me see if it's brown outside. Okay. Yeah, do that for me, man, can you? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, so I was looking for it. That's right. That's right. I'm working out right now. That's right. On executive Tachi because we're not doing anything. This is speed. Oh, you know, the saga is going all the way up to the 316. Yeah. I would think, no, you know, they might have problems with, no, Iowa and Gonzaga, that's going to be a good game. It could be all the way. Gonzaga could go all the way. But you know. It's, you could read it random. I got Michigan going all the way to Final Four. I got Alabama. I think Alabama might be Texas. I got Alabama going all the way. I got
Oh,
I got Gonzaga, Michigan. So, I'm sorry. I already went out there. Smith? Oh, no. I mean, Felton Smith. I'll go. Okay. Hold on. Let me go out there and see if he's out there. Michigan. Michigan. And Illinois. I'm going on that case up there. Oh, I see what you're saying. You never showed me. Yeah.
That's for seeing if your client is here.
Okay. My brother Luther, he's in Judge Archer. He's gonna cover for me if he comes in. I haven't had any contact with this guy, so I'm not expecting him. That's Kenneth Thomas.
Oh, yeah. Luther already checked in.
He's here. He's there.
Yeah. Well, he's not here right now. He's downstairs, but he checked in already.
Okay. Okay.
You can call.
You don't want Blair?
Huh?
You don't want Blair?
We need Blair. Let me get Blair.
Ready on Felton Smith? Calling case number 2060402, the people of the state of Michigan versus Felton Smith. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, taser, possession or sale of. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people. Judge, we do have our officers here.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jihad Gaddafi, 82492, appearing on behalf of Felton Smith.
All right. Mr. Smith has failed to appear. Case shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. New bond set, 30,000 cash.
Your Honor, if I'm able to ascertain Mr. Smith's whereabouts, I will advise him and bring him to court.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day to you and your staff.
All right, you too.
You gotta just tell them. Yeah, I might go out there, I was thinking, tell them that, we gotta get this other case. I'll call. I just wanna know, is this check, is this kid, Glenn's client's will be coming in, or he's gonna get some, Glenn, attorney Glenn's?
I just want to be coming in.
Okay, the reason why I asked, because I go out there and I'll be looking.
Well, yeah, you look at, the call, have me call out at, 12:15.
Okay.
That's what it takes us.
Right.
We call the case, and I'll call them other cases.
You need to sign their stuff. Yeah. Hey, Gary. Good, yeah. What's up? You got the Thomas case? Is it 12:15? Yeah. Kenneth. Kenneth Thomas. My office or something. All right, Judge, you got the hammer? You got the hammer at home?
Hammer.
So we're gonna break up that ceiling. You know what said you want to do it. With those jackhammers like that.
You ain't gonna worry about me bringing it up.
It's a lot of ceiling, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Around the whole house. The whole backyard, the whole nine.
So how you gonna do it? Just taking out the whole back?
We'll have them, they gonna come in with their machine.
Right, you do the whole back?
Take it all dirt,
All the way to the sides as well?
all the sides, all the back, yeah, part of the front.
You don't want to grass it.
Hmm?
You don't want to grass it. Where, tell them where your cars are.
It was a circular drive.
You want to narrow it or something?
Well, I'm gonna make the driveway wider where cars come in, smaller in front of the house.
Oh, okay, that's what I did. So you'd be putting cement.
Huh?
You'd be putting cement.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Not breaking up. That's like breaking up.
Well, breaking up, just taking some out, and then we put some more in.
Oh, wait, it's something that's not, you're not, they're broken up or not looking good or? Is that what
Yeah, well, some of it, yeah, a lot of it's broken up and cracked.
Okay, I'm gonna call one time, call now.
Yeah.
And you need Moody in here too, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Are you serious? You look like a head.
Mr. Brown just arrived, but now he's flying. Huh? Mr. Brown's here, but now he's flying. I don't know if he took his daughter.
What?
Yeah, yeah, I'm taking it. You're gonna call it.
Okay. I said, we've been ready, my witnesses are out there, we've been ready, so.
He was out there. I don't know if he took his.
You did Thomas here?
Why would he?
Thomas is not here.
Okay, call Thomas.
He's saying his kid's home. Yeah.
Ready on Kenneth Thomas?
Yes,
Calling case number 2058005, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Thomas. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entry without breaking with intent. Count 2, larceny in a building. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Thomas P. 36794.
You are prepared to proceed. People are prepared to proceed, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I have had no contact with my client. I've written them letters and I haven't. They came back undeliverable. I have no knowledge of his whereabouts.
All right, if you show any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond says 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yeah, you can call that.
Ready on Michael Rochelle.
Judge, I think my client stepped.
I'm not waiting. I waited for you. I'm not waiting for him. I'm not waiting. The case was scheduled for what?
11:30.
11:30.
Yes.
11:20 now. I mean 12:20.
It's my, I understand.
I already set so much aside, time aside for these cases.
I understand. It's my fault, but I mean, I don't think he should be penalized for that.
He's not here.
He was here, right?
Well, he was here and he brought a child with him.
That's right.
Which he had no business doing. So he's not here now. I'm getting ready to call the case. Wait.
Calling case number 2060673, the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Rochelle. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny, $20,000 or more. Count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing, $20,000 or more. Habitual offender, third notice.
Okay, good
This
afternoon, Your
matter
Honor.
is scheduled for examination.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, here on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the court, Mark Brown, on P number 39562, Mr. Rochelle, who is not present here now. I was informed that he was here earlier. I just recently arrived. And I'd ask the court for a continuance. Continuance meaning like minutes or whatever.
No, that was set for 11:30.
I understand.
Okay, so, and that's denied. He's not here now. I don't know where he is. KP shall enter any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond set at 30,000 cash.
Your Honor, if I'm able to find him in the courthouse and bring him back when we have a address.
I'm still here.
Pardon me?
I'm still here.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You might not like it.
Pardon me?
You won't like it. Trust me. That's the only thing I can say. No, you don't bring children to court with you. You don't know what was gonna happen. You still don't know.
Your Honor, what
I only set so much time, around when I set these things,
Yeah.
I only set so much time for each case. Because, we have to stagnate the cases. Before it was different. We set them all at 8:30. And it didn't matter if folks were late or whatever, because we always had something to do. But now we don't have that luxury anymore.
All right, very well, thank you, Judge. All right, thank you. Your Honor, and the people's witnesses.
He's here, I can't stay out there.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
should have came to us before you left. You should have came.
Yeah. All right, let's send this down there, right?
Yep, that's it, Judge.